Welcome to American English with Sushil. Let's practice 5 daily English conversations. Speak with me.
Lesson 1.
English speaking practice. Excuse me, who are you?
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for my friend. What about you?
Where are you going?
I'm going to college.
Will you be my friend?
Sure, but let's get to know each other first.
When will your bus arrive?
It should arrive at 11 o'clock.
When will you come from college?
I'll be back from college by 4 o'clock.
Are you free at night?
Yes, I'm free. Do you have something in mind?
Would you like to go to dinner with me?
I'd love to. Thanks for inviting me.
Lesson 2.
Who are you?
I'm Lily.
What do you do?
I am a student.
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you now?
At the park.
Why are you smiling?
I heard a joke.
When will you come home?
At 6 p.m.
What are you watching?
A movie.
Nice talking to you.
Same here.
Lesson 3.
What's your name?
My name is Lily.
How are you?
I am doing great.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Emma.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Bella.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza and sushi.
Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Have you ever visited India?
Yes, I visited India last year.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to become an English teacher.
Lesson 4.
Who are you?
I'm Lily.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Which subject do you teach?
I teach English.
Do you teach on YouTube?
Yes, I do. My channel is called American English with Sushil.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy gardening.
Lesson 5.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
May I know your age?
Yes, I am 24 years old.
I have never seen you on this channel before.
Yes, you are right. I am new here.
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am a teacher. I teach the English language.
How many teachers are there on this channel?
There are 4 teachers working on this channel.
What type of content do you create for teaching?
We create long and short videos to help people speak English fluently. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel?
Yes, I have. I love this channel very much.